The microwave oven. The microwave is a big production under the technology just like under inventions. This happened during the course of a Raider project around June 1946, in which Dr. Perry Spencer, an engineer, underwrote the corporation. Not sounding very peculiar when he discovered that a chocolate bar in his pocket at Notel, entering the thinking that perhaps the chocolate bar had been accidentally affected by those waves. Dr. Spencer did an experiment, placed some corn kernels to make popcorn. The tube and stayed some weight far away, so with a spark of inventive events. In is how the way card board cook and perfected at bounce around the laboratory. Dr. Spencer designed a metal box with an opening into which the introduced enter in the form of microwaves. This energy inside the box could not space and therefore created a electromagnetic field. We found what's placed on the field found replay. Dr. Spencer invented what was going to revolutionary the way of cooking in unlike the foundation for a multi-billion-dollar industry. In 1947, the first commercial microwaves over the white rails. Over the years, the microwave oven has come to help us in a society that moves faster and faster. We find in homes, restaurants, in offices, eating and defrosting biles us and definitely saves stars of time.